Tesla Powerwall 3 versus Sigenergy battery storage. Which is best? In today's video, we're diving into a comparison between two popular battery storage systems, the Tesla Powerwall 3 and the Sigenergy battery storage system. Both of these systems offer excellent storage solutions for solar energy, but which one is the best for you? Let's break down their key features, similarities, and differences to help you make an informed decision. Overview of Tesla Powerwall 3. The Tesla Powerwall 3 is one of the most widely known battery storage systems. It's wall-mounted and has a clean, modern design, making it easy to fit into your home. Additionally, it offers a very high round-trip efficiency of around 90%, meaning you're getting nearly all of your stored energy back when you need it. It can be controlled and monitored through the Tesla app, giving you real-time access to data on your energy consumption and storage. Overview of Sigenergy battery storage. Now, let's look at the Sigenergy battery storage system. The Sigenergy battery is another solid player in the energy storage space, designed for both residential and commercial use. It offers various configurations, but typically you'll see capacities ranging from 10 kilowatt-hours to 15 kilowatt-hours, with modular systems that can be expanded based on your needs. The Sigenergy system is flexible in that you can stack multiple units to increase capacity, and it's optimized for off-grid, grid-tied, and hybrid solar installations. Like the Powerwall, it can be integrated with solar panels, but it also boasts a robust backup feature that kicks in seamlessly during power outages. Key similarities between the two systems. Now, let's talk about the similarities between the Tesla Powerwall 3 and the Sigenergy battery storage. Both systems are designed to store energy generated from solar panels, providing power during outages or when the sun isn't shining. The Powerwall 3 allows you to connect up to 10 units in a single installation, and similarly, the Sigenergy system's modular design lets you add more batteries to increase storage as needed. Plus, both systems are built with efficiency and reliability in mind, ensuring that your home has a consistent power supply when you need it most. Installation and cost breakdown. On the other hand, the Sigenergy battery system's price will vary depending on the configuration you choose, but on average, it may come in at a lower price point or offer more flexibility for pricing depending on the scale of your needs. The modular setup can help keep initial costs lower while still giving you the ability to scale. Which is the best? So, which system is best for you? If you're looking for a streamlined, efficient solution with a sleek design and easy installation, the Tesla Powerwall 3 is a great choice. It's perfect for residential homes, offering impressive efficiency and a user-friendly interface. However, if you need a more flexible and modular solution, with the ability to scale based on your energy needs, or if you're on a budget and looking for something more customizable, the Sigenergy system could be the right choice for you. It's a solid performer for both residential and commercial applications. Ultimately, both the Tesla Powerwall 3 and Sigenergy battery storage systems have their unique strengths. The best choice comes down to your specific needs, whether you prioritize efficiency, scalability, cost, or design. Whichever system you choose, both will provide reliable energy storage and give you greater control over your energy consumption. Be sure to consult with a professional installer to ensure you get the best system for your home. Thanks for watching. I hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more energy insights. See you in the next video.